Right, so it is 7th of April today. Feels like the 7th of January. It's freezing. Needs spring to come back. And I've been out spraying this morning. Just put some pre-emergent spray on the spring wheat seed beds. Sprayed some Liberator on there. That's a herbicide to help control the black grass. So the next job is change the wheels on this sprayer, because I'm going to go and put some more liquid N on the winter wheat. It's narrow tram lines, so we don't want to squash any wheat. Just going to fill it out with diesel before we change the wheels. I'm going to put the skinny wheels on. It does look a bit silly with the skinny wheels on, but it's got to be done. It says it's made by Sprayer Jack Limited. This is what it says on the plate. We've only had it not even a year. This is the second time we've used it. If we had to take the wheel off and keep it off for a while, we can put a pin in there so it acts as an axle stand. Drone? Yeah. Check the tyre pressures. Come on, keep going. Come on. Back up. Not quite done 2 seconds yet, but we're getting there.
We used to do it by
yeah. We used to use blocks and a bottle jack.
And the old
take up
the old
yeah.
4-inch drive.
Before we had the battery gun. It used to take about 3 hours to do this job, didn't it?
Yeah. Did on your own.
Have you done it on your own before, have you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's Thursday morning. Eric, get in. I've just started putting the second dose of liquid N on the winter wheat. I'm up at farm 2. Let's get out of here. I'm just going to measure these tram lines, make sure we're not running down any crop. I'll just put you down while I measure the track width. The tyres are measuring at 200 centimetres, and looking at the tram lines, we are slightly running on the edge of the crop, and we got a bit of a gap on the inside of the tram line, so I might just bring them in a few centimetres so we don't run any crop down. We plug this in here. Where are we? There we go. That plugs in there. We've got front. Well, we'll start with the rear. We'll bring them in a little bit. You probably can't see a lot moving. That looks alright actually on the back. Now we'll switch it to front. We'll bring that in a little bit. No, the front's stuck. I might have to put the jack under the front to bring that in a little bit. So what I've done was take the controller in the cab with me, and as I was driving up the field I pressed the button and it moved. We're down to about, oh, drop my pen on the floor. So now we're down to about 75 inches, 190 centimetres. So that's much better. I can put this away now. Right, welcome back. It's Thursday evening. I'm just turning the microphone around so that you can hear me when I point the camera the other way. And yeah, I'm going home in a minute. I've only done 50 hectares today at 250 litres per hectare. So I think I worked that out at 12,500 litres. I didn't get going until later on this morning, so I've got another 70 hectares of wheat to do tomorrow. This is not wheat, this is spring oats. And this is the first fields of spring oats that I planted this spring. I think it was around the 2nd of March I planted these. And as you can see, they're looking really good. I'm really pleased with them so far. This was a really bad black grass field. Can't see any black grass right now. No, so far so good. I expect some will come up, but we did get a pretty good kill on it in the winter. Still got a nice bit of moisture in the ground there, look. And we are forecast rain, well, showers, Friday evening and Saturday. So yeah, I think I said 2nd of March. Really good. We've got 50 hectares here of these. Not a lot else to say about them really. What are we on? 2 to 3 leaves we're on. These seed beds got rolled just after they were planted, so I think that they'll have a herbicide for weeds and have another dose of fertiliser, and that'll be it till harvest, I expect. Won't be long until we're combining it. Right, on my way home I'll swing in and we'll have a look at some oats that I only planted 10 days ago and see how that's coming on. Alright, so I've come to one of the oat fields just off the side of the road up at Farm 3. As you can see, they're just starting to come up. These were drilled on the 23rd of March, so a little while later than the first lot. But, so yeah, just over 2 weeks I think. You see you've just got one leaf poking through. Not all of it's through yet. There will still be some here to come through. Maybe some seeds that went in a little bit deeper. See that? That look. And it would have been a lot quicker coming through, but it's been quite cold, as you guys know. This seed bed, as you can see, didn't get rolled after drilling because we were forecast rain. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll it once it's all up and got a good strong leaf, then we're going to roll it then. So yeah, right, last stop, we're going to have a quick look at the spring wheat. Right, so last stop, the spring wheat. I'm at farm 1 this evening. We'll have a look, see what this is looking like. As you can see, this has all been rolled and it's had a dose of liquid nitrogen on it, and it's had its pre-emergent spray as well. It's had some Liberator, which is a herbicide. Every time I do this I have to resharpen my knife again because it bluntens it. I think I just chopped right through the middle of that one. There's one seed there that's just chitted. So this was drilled 8 days ago, I think. Last Wednesday. Let's see if we can find a better one than that. 8 days ago this was drilled. It needs some warmer temperatures to get it going. That's a better one, look. He's got a big old root on him. There we go. As you can see, there's a nice bit of moisture down there, which is good. That's the rolling that keeps the moisture in. So yeah. Right, welcome to Friday. We're a bit limited on places to stick you in this cab, so hopefully you can see. Or would you rather look that way? Probably rather look at that boom, wouldn't you, than at me? Any good? No, my phone's in the way. Anyway, yeah, so like I said, it's Friday morning. And look at Eric. Eric's here this morning. Friday morning, and I'm out in the Bateman putting some more liquid in on the winter wheat at farm 2, and we are putting on 250 litres per hectare, and I've got 70 hectares to do today, and then I'm done. I'm up together with my work with the Bateman. I've got some spraying recommendations, but we're not going to start that until next week. That's T0 for these winter crops. That'll be like a growth regulator and some fungicides and things like that. So yeah, nice easy day for me today. 70 hectares will get done easy, and I'll probably wash it off before I go home for the weekend. This wheat will be, the wheat has 3 doses of liquid N, and the barley has 2. Actually no, the 2-row conventional barley has 2 doses, and the 6-row barley, the hybrid one, has 3 doses. So basically you just do it in 3 smaller doses. If you would like to see more of what I get up to between videos, you can follow me on Patreon. Now if you subscribe to my Patreon, you get early access to YouTube videos. So I've got a video that's going to publish at 6 o'clock today on Friday. It was live on Patreon midday Thursday. So you get the early access to the YouTube videos. You get short videos. There's currently, just this week, I've put 2 videos of fires on there. I've put a short video of me and my wife using the Ford 3000 to do some flat rolling. There's loads of photographs, things like that on there. So the other thing that I do on the Patreon is, at the end of most months, I do a prize giveaway. Everyone that's subscribed to the Patreon, I think there's about 56 people on there at the moment, I will, yeah, pick a random name out of all the names that are subscribed and do a giveaway. This month, I'll put a picture on the screen. It's a Milwaukee M12 DAB radio. So at the end of the month, I'll do that. So if you're subscribed, you will be entered to win. Right, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm just running some clean water through the sprayer and through both the lines, and I've just washed it all off, washed the boom and that, washed the fertiliser off because it's quite corrosive, and it's just going to be sat in the shed for the weekend. So yeah, I might put some diesel in it and then pack up and go home. It's 6 o'clock on Friday evening. Thanks for watching.